Hi everyone, today I am going to solve an Excel assignment YO19 Excel Chapter 3 PS1 Renovations. In its project description, Lisa Martin, a member of the sports coordination staff for the conference center at Painted Purchase Paradise Golf Resort and Spa, has created a worksheet to keep track of renovation being made to the three rooms that are used for conferences and the two new technology centers that are used for computer-based presentations and interactive sessions. The technology centers are equipped with the workstations, are networked, and have internet accessibility. This spreadsheet is simply designed only for Lisa and her associates to keep a handle on the renovation progress and estimated the increase in capacity and revenue that might occur as a result of renovation. Lisa has also want to analyze the banquet room sales and usage for the month of January. That's our project description. We will move to our first step. Our first step is start Excel download and open the file name Excel Chapter 3 PS1 Renovation. Grader has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. Save the file to the location where you are sorting your file. I have already opened this file. That's our file. I opened. Grader have automatically added my last name to the beginning of the file name. So we will move to our first second step. And if you need help in online courses like computer science, business management, business and math, business and finance, human resource management, history, English, literature, nursing, psychology, statistics, information technology, applied science, or if you need help in the Cengage course, Pearson course, SAM projects, or Canvas projects, or if you need help in the Excel assignments, Word assignments, PowerPoint assignment, or Assess assignment, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can just comment on this video, or you will scan the WhatsApp barcode which is given at the start of the video and at the end of the video. So now we will move to our second step. You have been asked to determine how long the renovation of the each room will take in a day. You have decided to use a date if function to perform this calculation. On the renovation worksheet in the cell D6, enter a date if function. So we will go to the cell D6, that is the cell D6. We will put date if function. We need to use dated if function is equal to dated if function to based on renovation started and complete dates to determine the length and the date of the expected renovation for the music room. If you have a date if function, then you will calculate this one, or you will just use this one as a if in this one is not working date if function, so you will just use the date renovation complete minus renovation started, so you will get the duration when the renovation start and renovation end, and you will press enter, so you will get the length of the days. If you don't have a date if function, because my Excel is 365, it's not a newer version 2021, so it's performed like that. Renovation started and renovation completed to determine the length in days of the expected renovation for the musical room. You see, we have got the expected renovation in days. So what is he saying? Copy the formula through the cell D10. So we will copy this up to cell D6, D10 to get the number of days in the length of the renovation in the days. So we have got our results in the range D6 to D10. We will move to our third step. Using the name box, select the name ranges, increase revenue. You notice the name reference Range refers to the blank cells. Therefore, you want to correct the name ranges. Modify the name range increased in revenue to the reference cell B14, not B15. So we will go to the formulas here in the name manager. We will get the, what is he saying, what we sell in the cell B14. We will go to the B14, that's our cell B14. We will go to the, we have a cell B15 here, increased in revenue. We will add this one. We will make changes. This one, that range name renovation B14 is the increase in revenue. So we will okay this one. So we have changed this one and close this one. So we have now change our range name to B14. That's our third step. Our fourth step is, after renovation, each room will be have more capacity. You want to determine the projected capacity after the renovation have been completed. In the cell G6, enter a formula to determine the new capacity for the musical room based on the original capacity in the cell F6 and increase in capacity in the cell B13. So we will go to the cell G6, that is the cell G6. What we need to just, we will press is equal to original capacity multiplied by, we will use multiplied by increase in capacity. So in this way we have got the new capacity. We will press enter. So we will get the new capacity is 30. We will do some changes in this. We will add this one F6 plus, we will do F6, we will do plus F6. In this way we will get a new capacity. This way we have got our new capacity in the cell G6. Its original capacity multiplied by increase in the capacity plus the original capacity. So we will get the new capacity. Copy this formula to the cell range to the G10. So we will copy this up to G10. That's our formula G10. So we have made some changes. We will make the B30 as a absolute cell reference. So when we go down, when we drag downside our formula, it will not be going to be changed. We will copy this formula downside. So we have got the actual results now. That's our new capacity. That's our fourth step. Our fifth step is, after renovation each room will have more capacity. You want to determine the projected revenue after the renovation has been completed. In the cell I6, we will go to the cell I6. What is he saying? Using the name range in the cell B14, enter a formula to determine the projected increase in revenue for the Musica room based on the revenue figure in the cell H6 and the increase in the revenue percentage in the cell B14. So we will do is equal to, we will find the projected quarterly revenue after renovation. That is our projected quarterly revenue prior to renovation multiplied by increase in revenue, which is B14. We will put bracket here, and what we need to do, we need to add this one a value H6, so we will get the projected quarterly revenue after renovation. We will press enter, so we have got our result, projected quarterly revenue after renovation. So that's our, copy this formula to cell I10. So we will copy this formula up to cell I10. So we have already used the range name here, so it, when we go downside, it's not going to change. So that's our results in the column I. That's our fifth step. We have total 12 steps of this assignment. I have performed 5 steps in this video. If you want to know the remaining steps of this assignment, or if you don't understand the steps I have performed in this video, you can contact me on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through my email address. My email address is given on the screen and also given in the description of this video, or you can contact me through my WhatsApp barcode, which is given at the start of the video and at the end of the video, or you can directly comment on this video to get, so I will get you soon. And if you like my video, please subscribe my channel to get a new video updates.